Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blend your overlays with your background on CapCut PC. I'll be selecting this video here and I'm just going to select another one here. I'm going to place that one at the bottom though. Select the mask and select the horizontal one and just rotate it. I'm trying to find the words for that. And you're just going to basically select the feather option to really blend these two videos together. If you want the person to be on top, select the video again, delete the mask, go to cutout and select auto cutout. So the subject will still be in front of the video. And that is it. It is that simple. You can even make it more blendable with the black and white filter so it is one single color. If you'd like to, you don't have to. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!